Hi everyone, in this video we are going to learn how to do prime factors using two methods. One is factor tree method and second is repeated division method. So what is prime factor? Writing a number into product of prime numbers is called the prime factor. For example, 50 is written as 2 times 5 times 5 where 2 and 5 both are the prime numbers, and 27 is written as 3 times 3 times 3 where 3 is a prime number. So we are writing the number in the form of product of prime numbers. So here we have our first example. Find the prime factor of 12 using tree method and division method. First we are going to see tree method. So in tree method, take the number and break the number into two factors and write them as a branch of tree. So here I am taking 3 and 4. Now 3 is a prime number. So we are not going to do anything with 3. But 4 is a composite number. So again we are going to break the 4 into two factors. So here 2 times 2. Now all the numbers are prime numbers. So prime factor is 3 times 2 times 2. Now all the factors are in product form. The order will not matter. So we can write 2 times 3 times 2, or we can also write 2 times 2 times 3. All are the same thing. Now we are going to see division method. So in division method, we will take number, and because it's a even number can be divisible by 2. So we'll take 2 first, and 2 times 6 is 12. So we'll write 6 down. Now 6 is divisible by 2 again. So we'll take 2, and 2 times 3 is 6. Now 3 can be divisible by 3 only. So we'll take 3. Now 3 times 1 is 3. So our prime factor is 2 times 2 times 3. So you can use any of these methods for finding the prime factor. Now we have our next example. Find the prime factor of 18 using tree method and division method. First we are going to see tree method. So in tree method, take the number and break the number into two factors. So here I am taking 6 and 3. Now 3 is a prime number, so we are not going to do anything with 3. And 6 is a composite number. So again we are going to break the 6 into two factors, which is 2 and 3. Now 2 and 3 both are the prime numbers. So our prime factor is 2 times 3 times 3. So now we are going to see division method. For this we will take the number. Now 18 is a even number. So 2 can divide the 18. So we'll take 2. 2 times 9 is 18. Now 9 is a odd number. So we cannot divide it by 2. So we'll see with 3. 3 can divide the 9. So we'll take 3. So 3 times 3 is 9. Again we will take 3. 3 times 1 is 3. So our prime factor is 2 times 3 times 3. Now we have our next example. Find the prime factor of 90 using tree method and division method. First we are going to see tree method. So we'll take the number 90 and break the number 90 into two factors. So here I am taking 9 and 10. You can take any other number. 9 and 10 both are the composite number. So we will break them further. So 9 will be 3 times 3 and 10 will be 2 times 5. Now all the numbers are prime numbers. So prime factor is 2 times 3 times 3 times 5. Now we will see the division method. So for that we will take number 90, and 90 is an even number. So we can divide it by 2. 2 times 45 is 90. Now 45 is odd number. We will check whether it is divisible by 3 or not. So we can divide the 45 by 3. So we'll take 3, and 3 times 15 is 45. Again 15 is divisible by 3. So 3 times 5 is 15. Now 5 times 1 is 5. So prime factor is 2 times 3 times 3 times 5. So here we have our practice question. Try this on your own and leave your answer in the comment box. Thank you.